Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss very interesting thing. So few days back I was just scrolling on LinkedIn and I found about this particular website, that is DataLemur. I don't know I'm spelling it correct or not, but this particular website has really good questions. So I thought, let's do one thing. Let's try to solve this problem. Uh, Anyone can watch how I am solving these problems and can get motivated to solve more SQL problems. So I will encourage anyone to pause the video instead of watching my solutions. Look through the problems and try to solve by yourself. After that, you watch my video and try to see that our thinking skills is matching or not. Or if you are having some better solutions, let me know in the comment section. Okay, without wasting much time, so let's try to solve our first problem. So this particular website, the first problem is this. Let's try to see what is the problem. Okay, so here it is asking to find all the candidates who are proficient in Python, Tableau, and Postgres. It's a very simple problem, and actually a tricky problem, and very much near to the real world problem, real world scenario. So what is happening? So given a table of candidates, let's suppose there is one table which has the information about the candidate ID and their skills, and there is some recruiter who wants to find that which all candidates are good with the data science skills, and they have fixed their skills like they are searching for Python, Tableau, and PostgreSQL. So anyone who is having at least these three skills will be shortlisted. Okay, so just imagine if there is this table, there will be always there will be candidate who will have more skills than this, and there will be candidates who will have less skill than this, and we have to find all the candidates who are having skills in Python, Tableau, and PostgreSQL. Perfect. And let's see one example here. This is the table. So I will actually created and draw it in my drawing board. So let's move to there and we will see it there. Cool. I hope you have got the questions. Okay. So here we are having one example. Here you can see that candidate ID 123 has skills Python, Tableau, and Postgres. Whereas other candidate like 234 does not have any skills. He has only R and Power BI, so he is not going to qualify. 345, sorry, 234 also has Python. Okay, only one skills out of those three. 345 has Python and PostgreSQL, so he has only two skills, right? And we have to find the candidate who have all the skills, right? So how we can solve this problem? So let's try to think from filtering perspectives. Firstly, we have to decrease our result, right? We have to find all the candidates who are having at least these skills. Okay, so let's try to filter it. So what we can do, we can write the query like that. Just 1 minute. Select ID, comma, skill from candidate where skill in Python, Tableau, and PostgreSQL. So this will give me all the candidate ID who have at least Python, who have at least skills in Python, Tableau, and Postgres. So what this will give me? So this will be selected. This will be selected. This will be selected. This will be selected. This will be selected, and this will be selected. Perfect. Here we will have 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, and 2, 3, 4. In 1, 2, 3, we will have Python, Tableau, and PostgreSQL, right? 3, 4 has Python, PostgreSQL, and 3, 4, 2, 3, 4 only has Python. Perfect. So what we can do? It's very simple now. We can just apply group by. We can just apply group by based on what? Based on the ID. Based on ID, and we will just write. Let me just draw a straight line. Having count of skill should be equal to 3, because we have already filtered all those results which skills in the which is there in the at least Python, Tableau, and PostgreSQL. So now if you pass these particular conditions, this having clause, right? If you pass these particular conditions, then we can always find the candidate who have skills in all three, like Python, Tableau, and PostgreSQL. Perfect. So this is our solutions. I hope it is making sense to you. Let's go and just write this code in the editor itself, and we will try to see if our SQL is right or wrong. Just 1 minute. Okay, let me just write the code. Candidate from candidate where skill in Python, Tableau, group by candidate ID, right? Then we will be having count of skill is equal to 3, and we have to also pass order by candidate ID ascending. Let's just submit it. Perfect. So this is very easy problem, but little tricky if you are not able to think from group by or the and where conditions. So it's easy problem, but little tricky. One have to practice. I accept it. Actually, I have asked this same type of problems in one of the interview, and not many actually, actually 2 or 3 interview, but very few were able to answer these questions. Okay, I hope you are able to get something out of this. If you got and enjoyed this video, I highly encourage you to practice from this particular website, and we will be trying to upload the video whenever we will be getting some times. If you have liked something, share with your friends. Please click on subscribe buttons, and goodbye for now. Let's connect in the next video. Thank you.